What is up, everybody? Just wanted to come at you guys real quick with who I'm choosing to roll with. Probably already know by the title. Anyway, I had two people. Mob Trucker was one of them. Uh, Reached out and said he wouldn't mind having a conversation. Wanted my email address. I did leave my email address under your comment on that video. If you didn't get it, my email address is nohippiebbq@gmail.com. And then somebody else had texted me wanting to just kind of talk a little bit, and they gave me the wrong phone number. So if that's you, send me your correct phone number. Anyway, after a lot of consideration, I was kind of going between night and prime, and just got to the point where I was going to start overthinking it, so I just went ahead and rolled with prime. Seems like they have kind of some of the things that I might want at the beginning and in the future. So anyway, that's who I'm rolling with. As far as the recruitment process goes, I'm not going to call the recruiters recruiters. What I think about when I think about recruiters, and it's been a long time since I dealt with recruiters. In the banking industry, I dealt with a recruiter, probably 20 years ago. And those recruiters were actually trying to recruit you. And then when I went in the military, it was the same thing. They were trying to recruit you. These recruiters that I've dealt with Prime and Night, aren't necessarily recruiters, I wouldn't call them. They're more facilitators, I would say. So if you're kind of in the process of looking for a place to start your trucking career, from what I've seen, don't expect these recruiters to be really trying to sell you on anything. I mean, I put in my information a while back and got a call, and then really it was kind of almost like, call us when you're like a little bit closer, like within 3 weeks. So it's not like they're going out of their way to give a bunch of information, but I guess with some people that's even going to be all the better. So anyway, like I said, I did go ahead and do that. They were trying to put a brother on a Greyhound bus, and like I said, I am not taking no Greyhound bus anywhere. So I'm probably gonna get on or rent a car and go out there to Salt Lake City. I think the training is going to start the first week of February, whatever that Monday is. And I think they wanted everybody there on Sunday. And I'll probably leave on Friday night and get there Saturday morning, just so I can kind of chill out a little bit without having to go right to it. As of right now, I got a bunch of unnecessary stuff. I didn't necessarily need a passport, but I went ahead and got a passport. Went ahead and got my TWIC card, and then I think Friday I'm gonna go knock out the physical, and then Monday or Tuesday or whatever the next week go down and take these or take the CDL test. Anyway, that's just a quick update on what is going on. That is it. If you're not subscribed to my other channel, No Hippie Barbecue, I'm going to leave a link to that channel in the iCard above and description below. Run by there and take a look at that. Hey, we're not going to neglect that channel. It may have to go on a hiatus for a little bit, but we're still going to be knocking out some stuff over there, whether it be on the road or when I get back in town. I'm already stacking videos over there for down the road. Anyway, thanks for stopping by, and I'm out.